Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Lingdu Dashcam V620. This is a solid choice if you want to keep an extra eye on the road. It records in crystal clear 4K, has a wide angle lens to capture everything, and even comes with night vision so you can get sharp footage no matter the time of day. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just want some peace of mind, this little gadget has your back. Let's dive in and see what it can do. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Okay, and this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Lingdu V620 dashcam. This is front and rear dashcam, 4K resolution. It has a Wi-Fi 6, GPS, 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear camera. ADAS that's a system that warns you from threat situations while you are driving. It has a voice control, and this is the camera, 4K resolution, front camera. This one to stick it on the windshield, the screen, the menu is on the bottom. Okay, micro SD is included, 64 gigs, the power connection, USB-C, and the connection for the rear camera. The manual, 2 extra stickers, some clear plastic to place the camera on the windshield, cigarette lighter connection for the power cable, USB-C to USB-A connection, the trim tool with some stickers to hide the cables, the rear camera 1080p resolution, the sticker to place it on the window, and the cable with the connection to plug it on the camera. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay guys, we're ready. The camera is already installed, so as you can see, it's pretty good. It has a screen on the front, the camera is on the facing the front. This is the front camera. The connection for the rear camera is this one. The micro SD is already installed in there. The power connection is right here, and it has a power button on the right side, but the camera, it will turn on automatically when you turn on the car. So now let's see the buttons for the menu. Let's see the buttons for the menu. The first one is the M for menu. The second one is the up or mute. The third one is to lock the video or to unlock the video on the Wi-Fi 2. And the fourth one is down, arrow down. And the last one is OK or confirm. Alright, so let's go to the menu.
Recording stopped. Video settings.
Okay, these are the video settings. The first one is resolution. Let's video resolution. You can select 4K, 1080, 60 frames per second. Okay, that one I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I might change it later. The next one is the loop recording. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That's the size of the video. Okay, I always like to leave it in 1 minute because it's easier to download, but you can put it in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or turn it off. Okay, so for 1 minute it's okay for me. The next one is the HDR. You can turn it on and off. That one is for the brightness. So when the video is dark, it will make it brighter. When it's too bright, it will make it a little bit lighter. For now, right now it's off. That's okay. Wide dynamic range, also for the dark and too bright video. For now it's on. Exposure, you can change it there. For now I'm gonna leave it like that. Time-lapse recording, it's off right now. I'm gonna leave it like that now. Time-lapse is when the video, short video, but it goes faster. Record audio, you can turn it on and off.
Audio on.
Audio on. The stamp, you can put the date, the speed, and the GPS, and the logo of the Lingdu. Okay, for now I'm gonna leave it like that. The G sensor, you can leave it in medium. This one, it will lock the video. If the camera feels that you hit something, it will lock the video. For now it's in the number 5. That's okay. The parking mode for the G sensor, you will need a hardwired recording kit. 24-hour parking mode. For that one, you will need a hardwired recording kit. Means that the power is going to be always on to the camera. Hide the status icons. You can turn hide them in here. Off. For now they're off. Speed unit, let's put it miles per hour. That's okay. Live speed, it's on. The live speed is gonna be on the screen. For now it's on. I'm gonna leave it on. Rotate the front video. If you wanna do it, if you put the camera upside down, you can rotate it here. Rotate the rear camera. If you place the rear camera upside down, you can rotate it here. For now it's off. And the mirror rear video, if you want to mirror it, you can change the view right here. Then it's on. Okay.
System settings.
And now these are the system settings. The Wi-Fi, you can turn on the Wi-Fi to connect to the app in here. ADAS is it will alert you if something is too close to the car and then your situation. It will speak by the voice command. Date and time. You can change it there. I think that is wrong, but it's okay. I might change it later. Date, format, year, month, day, and in here we use it month, day, and year. That's okay. Clock format, 12 hours or 24 hours. I'm gonna leave it in 12. Screensaver settings, live video, always on, or you can turn off the screen. I'm gonna leave it always on. The next one, the beep. Let me show you the beep on. That's the beep. So I already turned it off. So you can turn it off in there. The speaker volume, I have it in low. Boot mode is on. The voice control is on. So you can say like lock video or save video, things like that. Voice commands. Here are the voice commands that you can use. Turn on, turn off, lock the video. They are all over there, okay? You can check them out later. Voice guidance on. Language, you can change it here to English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and anything. Frequency, 60 Hertz. That's okay. License plate, if you want to put your license plate, but I don't want to put that. The GPS info, yeah, that's good. The GPS format, decimal, degrees, okay. The GPS time zone settings, I think this one I want to change it, so I think it has to be in 5, date and time. Yes, now it's fine. GPS time zone settings, you can change it there. Storage space, the space for the SD card. So that's the storage. You can check the storage, the space of the micro SD card. Format, you can format the micro SD card there, but when you turn on the camera, it will ask you to format the micro SD card for the first time. Okay, default settings, you want to change all the settings to the default, you can press that one, but for now I don't want to do that. The firmware, the version of the video is right there.
Video mode. Recording started.
Okay, and that's everything for the menu. Let's see the app real quick, how to connect it, and let's see how it works. Okay, let's see how to connect the app. This is the app Lingdu. Let's open the app. This one, it will ask you for your location, allow while using app. Okay, so remember we have to turn on the Wi-Fi, but let's see if it does it automatically. See, yeah, next, Wi-Fi. Okay, so we have to turn on the Wi-Fi from the camera. For that, I think we have to hit this
Wi-Fi is on.
Yeah, hold the button in the middle for 3 seconds and it will turn on. Okay, and right there is the name of the Wi-Fi and the password. Okay, so now let's say Wi-Fi, allow, okay, connect, all right, connect, join. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi, successful. All right. If I move it like this, it moves. So yeah, you have to click the icon to see it like this. So this is the front camera, that's the rear camera. You can take a screenshot here. You can mute the audio and stop or turn on the recording. To go back, there's an arrow right here. Let's go back right there. We already saw all the settings, so we're gonna go through real quick. Okay, to see the videos, you have to stop the recording here on the bottom, stop, and then we can see the videos. And right there are all the videos. You can move this, drag it, or go to the list. I think I prefer the list. So these are the events, the locked videos. These are the normal. Let's see, second, trying to do it in one hand. You can click on the video and download if you want to download it. Alright, so right now it's downloaded, but I don't want to download it right now. And the photos, right there, the photos. So it has a timeline or list. I prefer the list. So on the bottom, you have to see the videos, to turn on and off the recording, to take a screenshot, and this one is more options. The albums, the audio, to mute or turn on the audio, or switch the camera view. Okay, here in the bottom. And on the corner, over here on the corner, we have to stop the recording. Stop the recording. And then these are all the settings. These are the settings that we already saw on the menu, okay? But you can change them here on the app. All of them, the same settings are in here. Okay, cool. So now the next thing is to view the videos, and let's see how good they are from the day view and night view. So let's do that next. Okay, and this is the day view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution, and as you can see, the resolution is pretty good. 4K resolution. I can see everything pretty good. It's pretty clear, everything, the view. I can see the cars, the models, everything is good. So for the day view, I approve it. Everything is pretty good, no complaints about the front camera on the day view. And this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is at 1080p resolution. And as you can see that it's 1080p, it's a little bit blurry, but for the day, it looks great. I can see everything, the model, what kind of car it is. I can see the license plate, everything is clear on the day view. So for the rear camera during the day, it's great. I like it. Okay, and this is the night view for the front camera, 4K resolution. And as you can see, it looks amazing. The front camera, it has a night vision. It's an upgraded night vision. And as you can see, it looks very clear, super sharp. The view is great. I can see all the cars, the license plates, everything is great. So for the front camera at night, it looks amazing. I like it a lot. And now this is the night view for the rear camera. The rear camera is at 1080p resolution, and the rear camera, it has night vision too, but because of the resolution, it struggles a little bit, but it's still clear. It was raining a little bit, that's why it's a little bit blurry, but it still looks pretty good. I can see the cars, I can see the vehicles, what it is. But remember, this is a 1080p resolution, but still, for a camera with a night vision and rear camera, this is great. So still, I approve this one too. So after testing the Lingdu Dashcam V620, I gotta say, it's pretty solid option. The 4K quality is super clear, the wide angle lens captures a lot, and the night vision actually works well, which isn't always the case for dashcams. So it's easy to set up and the footage is smooth, making it a great choice for anyone who wants extra security on the road. Of course, no dashcam is perfect, but for the price, this one delivers. Would I recommend it? Yeah, definitely. If you are looking for a reliable dashcam with great features, the Lingdu V620 is worth checking out. But let me know what you think in the comment, and if this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, it's time for the giveaway. We're gonna give away this dashcam that is over here. Okay, the Lingdu V620. That one is very nice. To participate, the rules are super simple. You have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to like this video, you have to put a comment in this video. This is only for the USA, and the winner, we're gonna announce the winner on April 5th, okay? So remember to hit the notification bell, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the giveaway. If the winner doesn't claim the prize, we're gonna give it away to somebody else, okay? Thank you for watching, God bless you, thank you, and see you on the next video.